Hello everyone, welcome back, and we are back with testing out another viral product with my OG product. Okay, I love this mascara. This mascara have my heart and full support. Like I to promote this like right, left or center. You have seen me using this multiple times, like not like a multiple times, like multiple times, million times. Know that everyone is talking about this mascara and I had to try this. इसलिए बिल्कुल भी बाय नहीं किया है क्योंकि कैंडल जेनर ने लगाया था, बिकॉज अब मैं उस फेज से निकल चुकी हूँ कि कोई भी सेलिब्रिटी किसी चीज को यूज करे और मैं उसे लूँ। ना 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 ना, अब नहीं हो पाएगा। सो दैट्स वाई मैंने ये इसीलिए लिया है बिकॉज मेरे फेवरेट इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ने इसके बारे में बात करी है। निधि मैम ने भी इसका रिव्यू कराया दिस आउट, ये कैसा वर्क करता है। एंड आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ यू आस्किंग अबाउट माई हेयर केयर रूटीन, like weekly hair care routine, how I cleanse my hair and pre-wash, after wash, everything. So वो आने वाला है जल्दी ही. So yeah, let's talk about this mascara. Okay, it's a L'Oreal Voluminaroma waterproof mascara and मैंने इसमें कलर लिया है black and it retails for 849 rupees, like originally for 999, and it will provide you 1.4x bigger looking eyes, and it's waterproof like eyes. Okay, it claims though, like you can see that. It's me guys, I am a mascara lover, like mascara lover. Anytime I choose mascara over everything. Like mascara is something मैं उसके बिना रह ही नहीं सकती. आई डोंट नो मेकअप मीन्स मस्कारा फॉर मी, एंड मैं ब्लश के बिना रह सकती हूँ, बट मस्कारा एंड टिंट इज समथिंग जिसके बिना मैं बिल्कुल नहीं रह सकती. सो आई कैन जज दिस थ्रू एंड थ्रू, एंड गिल्ट फ्री मैं इसे ब्रूटली रिव्यू कर सकती हूँ. रियली नो मी, यू गाइज नो दैट आई डोंट लाइक spider lashes and I don't like mascara which feels heavy on lashes. So yeah, let's wear this and see how it performs. Say out loud, इसका स्टेट कॉम्पिटिशन मेबली स्काई है मस्कारा से है. आई लव दिस मस्कारा. इट्स ऑलरेडी ड्राइड अप एंड जो बचा हुआ है वो मैं यूज कर रही हूँ. एंड वाई आई एम सेइंग दिस इज माई फेवरेट मस्कारा इन दिस इंटायर वर्ल्ड. एसेंस के बाद में दिस इज द मस्कारा लाइक अ वाटर प्रूफ वर्जन that I love. Volume, provide you curls, hold your curls, and everything about this mascara is like chef kiss. So now let's open this and see the wand. Okay, wand is similar like a sky high mascara, like you can see that it's a little wider from here. Other than that it's the same design. If you see that, इस पे ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट नहीं आया, which is really good. Okay, वेरी स्मूथ. अभी न्यू ओपन हुआ है तो काइंड ऑफ अ लिक्विड ही, बट स्मज नहीं हो रहा है. लाइक प्रोवाइड यू लाइक अ डिसेंट वॉल्यूम एंड कर्ल. या आई लाइक इट. नाउ माई लोअर लैश लाइन. Okay, single coat is really enough for this, like you can see that it's beautiful. Now let's tackle my inner corner here. So they are very important because if you see that I have very less hair, so I have to enhance whatever I have. See that bunch of a hair. This is like 1 or 2 coat basically, जिसे हम सिंगल कोट बोलते हैं वैसे तो मेकअप में, बट या अकॉर्डिंग टू मी दे आर वेरी नेचुरल लुकिंग वेरी गुड, लाइक अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल परफेक्ट फॉल्स लैश. इट्स बीन अ मोर देन 10 seconds. सो देखते हैं कि ये ड्राई अप हुआ है या नहीं. सो इट्स प्रिटी मच ड्राइड अप. Open up my eyes very well, like my lashes look so voluminous and at the same time good length, and my lashes feel very lightweight, like I does not feel anything कि मैंने कुछ apply किया हुआ है. So that's a very good thing. And yeah, आई रियली लाइक द इफेक्ट इट गिविंग मी। ये मस्कारा ड्राई अप हो चुका है, बट लेट मी शो यू हाउ इट वर्क्स। ओके, and you can see that which one is better. See that, and it's completely dry up. It's been like more than 6 or 7 months मैं इसे कंटिन्यूस यूज कर रही हूँ, डे एंड नाइट लिटरली। मुझे कहीं भी जाना होता है, दिस इज लाइक माई मस्कारा कि मैं इसे ही लूंगी। See that? You guys already see the application. Well, I'm super impressed with the L'Oreal mascara because I have two reasons for that. Firstly, it's non-clumpy, like you can see that. It does not provide me spider lashes and mascara. So there is a high chance it provide me a spider lashes or a clumpy lashes, but it does not, which is a very good thing. And we're talking about the product distribution, like dispatching of the product in the right amount, then I had to say that L'Oreal is best, because sometimes Maybelline provided too much product or sometimes very less, does not have the right consistency in providing a product. So sometimes you are end up with the clumpy lashes or spider lashes. So yeah, that I had to say that L'Oreal is really amazing. If we're talking about the price, it's not that much of expensive. They both come in under 1,000 rupees, and this one is for like 799, and in a discount it's for like 500 or something. Nykaa and Myntra. At the same time, I also got this for 550 or something on a Myntra. So price fluctuation is not that much. Why people loving this mascara? Because it's providing false lash effect with the natural looking lash. So this is something which everyone's excited for, because now you guys know that we are more into clean girl makeup, no makeup, minimal makeup, makeup which is non-identical. So coming from mass community, those like natural kind of a makeup, and like you can see that I really like my lashes. Like better than L'Oreal Paradise, I say no, because if you applying L'Oreal Paradise, you know that how high a volume it gives. So yeah, but I applied only single coat, triple coats, because I don't like wearing too much mascara, because too much mascara end up giving you spider lashes. Whether you apply any brand of a mascara, if the day आप बहुत सारा product लगा रहे हो तो वो आपको spider lashes देगा ही. But yeah, the winner is L'Oreal mascara. I had to say that. You can see that how beautiful my eyes look. And yeah, that's it. Mascara is a win-win product, and if you have some complaints about this formulation, then you had to try this one. So yeah, that's it, and I hope you like this review. If you like this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down below, and bye guys, see you in another video.